So the main focus of your renovation should be in your kitchen and your bathrooms, right? The power of kitchen updates is extreme. So when I say that, cabinets are kind of the heart of your kitchen, right? A good cabinet in your kitchen can go a long way in the return on your investment. So when you flip houses, a lot of new flippers will look to Home Depot, right, for the base stock shaker cabinets. Home Depot's shaker cabinets have lost quality, a lot of quality over time. So what I put in my flips is actually a local cabinet company, and their cabinets, instead of being made out of particle board, are made out of solid wood, dovetail corners. They also have soft close drawers and doors. The cost is very similar to Home Depot. So I'm sure somewhere around you, there's somebody or somewhere where you can find better cabinets than your stock Home Depot or Menard cabinets. So the cabinets are so important because the feel of a cabinet, the look of a cabinet, how it opens, how it closes, buyers are they're gonna touch the cabinet. They're gonna open the cabinet. They're gonna notice the quality or the lack of quality in your cabinet. So cabinets are the heart, the lifeblood of a kitchen. And I think it's very, very important to have a good cabinet, even in your flip houses, right? You want to have quality. Strive for quality. You want to make money, but that cabinet is going to return your investment if it's a solid quality cabinet at a similar price as the lesser quality cabinets. So that's number one in a kitchen. The cabinet is so important. Number two, the countertop. Right? I don't ever put laminate countertops or solid surface countertops in my kitchens. It's always minimum granite. And that's even for the lesser, the lower end communities, right? You're not spending too much more for a granite countertop, and it just looks much better and returns your investment. So granite countertops are important, and even if you're in a little bit higher end subdivision or higher end community, you could get quartz. It's really not much more expensive than granite at your local stone or granite shop. A lot of times, if you're spending, let's say, $40 a square for granite, a Calicotta style quartz could be in the $50 range. Yes, it's a little bit more, but if you're in a nicer subdivision, that might be worth it for your return. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to make money, but that quality could get you that money back, right? So that's number two. Number three, cabinet poles. Poles, a lot of times I'll see, and I've put these in a lot of our flips, right, in the past. 3-inch poles on 30-inch cabinets, right? And even worse, 3-inch poles on 36-inch or 42-inch cabinets. Don't do it. They don't look visually appealing to the eye. They're too small. I made another video about this, but there's a 1/3 rule for cabinet poles. So the 1/3 rule says your cabinet pole should be 1/3 of the size of your door or drawer, or around 1/3 of the size. So technically in a 30-inch cabinet, your pole should be around 10 inches. Not everybody does that. I don't do that big of cabinet poles nowadays, but I'll upgrade from the 3-inch to the 5. It just looks a lot better, and the cost is not that great of a difference. But your buyer will notice it. They'll notice the difference in look. Even if they don't know what the difference in the look is, they'll feel it when they walk into that kitchen, right? If your cabinet poles are larger, your kitchen's gonna feel more high end or more luxurious. So those are the three items. Cabinets are the number one. Right? Nice cabinets are important. Number two, granite. I never do laminate. I don't do laminate. Granite or quartz. And number three, the cabinet poles. Try to stay away from the standard 3-inch cabinet poles. The 5-inch or greater is your friend. So if you enjoy this content, follow X Home Builds. We'll be rolling out more home flipping tips as well as step-by-step instruction. Until next time.